Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and pin someone on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all you have to do is access your particular Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and right over there simply go ahead, tap on this Snapchat icon given in the below. And now here in the section you're gonna go ahead, simply choose a person that you would like to pin. So let's say if we have this particular person we would like to, all you have to do is simply press the ID and tap on this option of pin on top. So you can see, to do that you will have to actually get a subscription here in the Snapchat Plus. If you have Snapchat Plus, you will be able to pin anyone according to your need without going through this. But if you haven't, Snapchat will simply ask you to get a subscription. You can choose anyone and tap on this try for this particular amount that you have to pay monthly for you to get the subscription, and you will be able to pin any user you would like. So yes, that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.